Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HMD Skyline, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. As you can see, I've been using it for 19 minutes. Most of the time I've spent on the settings, then camera and the other. We've got also the unlocks and notifications count. And if you want to check some further details, you can tap inside this graph. You will be transferred to the dashboard that will show you the total screen time in particular days of the week. You can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened, and under it you've got the list of apps which you've been using and the specific time you've spent on them. And the second way is to tap directly on the app, so for example settings, camera or any other app which will appear here. So just tap on it, and the same situation, dashboard, you can check the time you've spent on this specific app in particular days of the week. What is more, here you've got some ways to disconnect, which are worth considering, especially in the situation if you're spending too much time on the screen. For example, focus mode, you can choose some distracting apps. So for example, maybe social media or some games. Just mark them and set a schedule. You can choose particular days and hours in a week, and in this schedule, your device will basically hide their notifications from those distracting apps, so you'll have time to, I don't know, spend it with your family or simply rest. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.